Getting ready for your driving test? Or just want to refresh your road sign knowledge? This video will walk you through 40 essential traffic signs that every driver needs to recognize. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable driving tips. Let's get started and put your road sign knowledge to the test. What does this sign indicate? C. Traffic signals. What warning does this sign give to drivers? B. Winding road. What is represented by this sign? C. No pedestrians. Do you know which sign is the no motor cars or other multi-track motor vehicles sign? What unique sign does this represent? The slow down sign, unique to Pitcairn. What potential hazard does this sign warn about? Winding road, right. What restriction does this sign indicate? No motor cars or other multi-track motor vehicles. What does this road sign represent? Traffic signals. What maneuver is prohibited by this sign? C. No U-turn. Do you know which sign is the telephone sign? What direction does this sign enforce? A. One-way street. What does this sign suggest about the area? B. Traffic calmed neighborhood. What does this sign allow for vehicles? C. Vehicles may be parked wholly on the verge. What service does this sign indicate? Telephone. How does this sign affect traffic flow? Traffic calmed neighborhood. What is the significance of this sign? One-way street. What road condition is highlighted by this sign? C. Road works. What does this sign inform about animals? B. Horse with rider. Do you know which sign is the uneven road sign? What wildlife concern does this sign indicate? B. Wild animals. What environmental condition does this sign warn about? A. Foggy conditions may exist. What restriction does this sign enforce? National network prohibited. What hazard is indicated by this sign? Wild animals. What conditions might drivers face according to this sign? Foggy conditions may exist. What type of vehicle does this sign refer to? C. Agricultural vehicles. What facility is pointed out by this sign? B. Hospital. What does this sign signal to drivers? A. New. Do you know which sign is the countdown marker to level crossing 2 sign? What parking regulation does this sign indicate? C. No parking, bike lane. What does this newly placed sign signify? New. What countdown marker is displayed on this sign? B. Countdown marker to level crossing 2. What does this sign tell cyclists about parking? No parking, bike lane. What road condition does this sign alert to? A. End of road. Do you know which sign is the National Network Prohibited sign? What traffic pattern change does this sign warn about? C. Lane ends in 1,500 meters. What vehicle limitation is imposed by this sign? B. Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. What restriction does this sign enforce? A. No passing. What message does this sign convey to drivers? Lane ends in 1,500 meters. What does this sign warn about road continuation? End of road. What does this sign enforce about passing? No passing. What environmental condition does this sign warn about? Dangerous crosswinds. What facility does this sign indicate? B. Bicycle parking. What information does this sign provide? C. Tourist information. What type of route does this sign indicate? B. Truck route sign. Do you know which sign is the passenger-only ferry terminal sign? What restriction does this sign enforce? Truck route sign. What facility is indicated by this sign? B. Bicycle parking. What driving condition is warned about on this sign? Dangerous crosswinds. What type of highway marker is shown on this sign? A. Example of provincial highway shield. Do you know which sign is the moose area sign? What type of route is designated by this sign? C. Route for use by pedal cycles only. What historical road sign is shown here? Pre-War Boys Committee, Crossroads warning traffic sign. What restriction does this sign impose on vehicles? A. No tractors. What type of route does this sign indicate? Route for use by pedal cycles only. What historical traffic sign is displayed here? Pre-War Boys Committee, Crossroads, warning traffic sign. What does this provincial road sign represent? Example of provincial highway shield. What directional sign is shown here? A. Chevron, left. What road hazard is identified by this sign? B. Risk of truck overturning. Do you know which sign is the bus station sign? What road condition should drivers be aware of? B. Road works. What intersection detail is highlighted by this sign? C. Junction on a bend. What construction warning is given by this sign? Road works. What risk does this sign alert truck drivers to? Risk of truck overturning. What does this sign indicate about the road ahead? Junction on a bend. Great job making it through all 40 road signs. We hope this video helped you sharpen your knowledge and feel more confident on the road. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more driving tips and road safety guides. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.